Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download CashApp application on your computer. If you are keen on using CashApp on your computer, here's a straightforward method to make it happen. You will require an emulator, so begin by opening your web browser and then search for download CashApp on PC. Click on the first link that pops up, which will lead you to the BlueStacks website. On this website, seek out download BlueStacks and click it. Once the download is completed, proceed with the installation of BlueStacks, which may take a bit of time depending on your computer's speed. Once the installation process concludes, you will witness the CashApp automatically installing on your PC. This smooth installation is due to our choice of the official BlueStacks website. If you had opted for a different source, the process might not have been as trouble-free. Now you are all set to enjoy CashApp on your computer. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.